Welcome to Attack. In this video, I will tell you that how to upload photos and videos to Google Drive from your mobile phone. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have a Google Drive account. You can find it in Google Services. If you don't have Google Drive, then you can download it from Google Play Store. So after downloading, move to Gallery. Then select the pictures that you want to upload to Google Drive. So I will select these images with boxes, long press, then click on share button. So here you can find different sharing options, but I will select Google Drive. So you can see there are three pictures and location is my drive. Now click on save button. Your three files are being uploaded to Google Drive. So now I will delete these pictures from gallery because these pictures are uploaded to Google Drive. So now I will open Google Drive. Then on top left corner you can see three lines. Here you can see recent folder. So you can see these images are uploaded to Google Drive. So you can click on three dots and rename. So I will change the name Woodbox 1. Similarly, click on three dots of other picture, rename it. So in this way you can upload your photos and videos to Google Drive and you can rename it. So if you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.